Put a doggy door in here, and I got the template already set up. We need the shoulder height of my dog. We just got that, and it's 15 inches. So at 15 inches, we'll make a mark right there. Okay, there's 15 inches right there. And that applies to the shoulder height. It will be right there. So the dog door is going to be right over this at about right there. So we have centered that. Making sure that we have a level cut. We're going to make a hole on each corner. Now we have a hole all the way through. We're going to do that for all four corners. All right, so on the other side, we're going to make sure everything's level, put the template back up, draw our lines. I'm using a jigsaw and I'm connecting that to my shop vac. Safety first, make sure you wear your hearing protection and eye protection. I went around that side, and then I went around that side. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, since this is a dog door, the edges might be rough. So we're going to scrape them down. Okay, so these are the core covers. And what we want to do is we want to see what it is on the inside plus 7/8, and we don't want to cut the grooved part, we want to cut the non-groove cut. 1 3/4 plus a 1/7 is 1 7/8, so there we go. And then after we cut them, we're putting the groove side down. And take some tape, and we're going to tape corners. All right, so that's what we have, and this goes on the inside, and it should fit perfect, like a glove. Look at that. It's like a professional did it. All right, we're going to push all the nylon screws through and set it back in here. And then we're going to set this frame and line up all the screws. So I put the screws in, and I'm going like this. Makes it easier to set everything in. Okay, so now it's loosely put in, and now we're going to fit it so it's all straight on both sides. And we're going to tighten down these, finger tight. It's almost like lug nuts on a car. I first did this one. I'm going to do this one, then I'm going to do this, then the top, and then the two. Okay, it's snug. That works. And now we're going to just clip off the ends here, like so. Okay, the dog door is complete. We have one there, and we have one here. Hey puppy, guess what we did? We got you. Psst, psst, psst. Look, go outside. Look, go outside. Go outside. Psst, psst, psst. Come here. Come on. Inside. Come in. Good boy. Go ahead and go outside. Go outside. He goes, no, that's weird. Come on, bud. Look, we got cookies. Outside. Psst, look at cookies. Cookies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Inside. Get your cookie. Come on. Get your cookie. Look, it's a cookie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, get your cookie. This is funny. Hey, buddy, look, it's a cookie. Come on. Come on, inside. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Get your cookie. Come on, get your cookie. Come on, boy. Interesting. Come on, get your cookie. Come on, get your cookie. Come on. Come on. Good boy, get your cookie. Come on. Come on. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. All right, come here. Come on, eat another cookie. Come on, get a cookie. Come on, bud. Come on, inside. Come on, buddy. This is so funny. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on, bud. Inside. Come on. Come on, Pooch. Look. Yes, you are so good the next day, aren't you? All right, go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Look at that, all by himself. You're such a good dog. Come on, inside. Good boy. Okay, go inside. There you go. Awesome.